Hola y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. I am Juan, mi nombre es Juan, and I am one of the Spring Spanish teachers. In this video, te voy a enseñar cómo despedirse en español. I will teach you how to say goodbye in Spanish. So, unless you want to ruin your beautiful conversations in Spanish with yet another hasta la vista, baby.
Hasta la vista, baby.
This is the video you'll want to watch. ¡Acompáñenme! Saying goodbye properly is very important in any language. Heck, you could even become a star by saying bye in rapid succession with proper dance move. Am I right, NSYNC? Bye, 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 bye. And of course, Spanish is no exception. So let's see some sentences to say goodbye in Spanish. La primera es, the first one is, adiós. Adiós. Goodbye. This means goodbye in Spanish. It's a very short and convenient word to use in any occasion. But you don't want to keep saying adiós a todos todo el tiempo, to everyone all the time. In a lot of places in South America, if you're talking to friends or family in a casual or informal situation, you can get away with chao. Talking about casual goodbyes, aquí hay algunas otras opciones. Here are a few other options. Nos vemos. Nos vemos. See ya, or we'll see each other. Suerte. Suerte. Good luck. Cuídate or cuídese. Cuídate. Cuídese. They both mean take care. If you want to know the difference between them, it's pretty much the same with tú and usted, which you can check in another one of our Spring Spanish videos. Hasta la próxima. Hasta la próxima. This means until next time. The great thing about these options is you can combine them como tú quieras, however you want. Let's see some examples. Chao, nos vemos. Chao, nos vemos. Pretty common to use among family or friends. Adiós, suerte. Adiós, suerte. If it's someone you just met or are not too acquainted with them. Hasta la próxima. Cuídese. Hasta la próxima. Cuídese. If it's an elderly person or you need to show, particular respect. ¿Cuál te gusta más? Which one do you like better? How would you combine them? Let me know down here in the comments. Now, if you're in a situation like a job interview or a business meeting, ¿qué dirías? What would you say? The most common option is using hasta luego, which means roughly see you later. Hasta pronto, which means see you soon in a fairly formal way. This works wonders if you're planning on seeing the other person again. So if you're in an interview, this is the one you want to use. If you want to step up your game, then combine que tengas, I wish you, and then include the remaining moment of the day. Que tengas buenos días. Que tengas buenos días. I wish you a good day. Que tengas buenas tardes. Que tengas buenas tardes. I wish you a good afternoon. Que tengas buenas noches. Que tengas buenas noches. I wish you a good evening or night. Sounds confusing? Tranquilo, yo te cubro. Easy, I got your back. Just look for my other Spring Spanish video about saying hello in Spanish, where I explain when to use días, tardes, and noches. Of course, Spanish is a language spoken in many places in the world, and each culture has their own way to say goodbye. There's a lot of options you could use depending on the place and situation. So let's suppose you got a job in Veracruz in Mexico. You're chilling with your coworker near the water dispenser and your boss is calling you for a meeting. You could use hasta luego, que tengas buenas tardes, which means something like see you later, have a good afternoon, and sounds casual but formal at the same time. I come from a city called Barquisimeto in Venezuela. Whenever I needed to leave a gathering with friends in a casual and quick way, I will use Chao panitas, bye partners. Now here in Argentina, the same context will need a swift chao chao chicos, bye bye guys. So what if you're leaving your newfound Colombian crush at the airport in Bogotá? Will you settle with a cold and quick que tengas buenas tardes? Of course not. If you really want that farewell kiss, tiene que ser espectacular. It has to be spectacular. Hasta siempre, María Teresa. Until forever, María Teresa. Siempre te recordaré. I will always remember you. Estamos cerca de despedirnos por hoy. We're close to saying goodbye for today. So let's recap what we've learned so far. Informal. Adiós. Chao. Nos vemos. Suerte. Hasta la próxima. Formal. Hasta luego. Hasta pronto. Que tengas buenos días. Que tengas buenas tardes. Que tengas buenas noches. So what do you think? ¿Estás listo para despedirte en español? Are you ready to say goodbye in Spanish? Give me your best shot in the comments. Now you know exactly how to say goodbye to people in Spanish. The perfect closing to end your conversations. We have a whole series of Spanish beginner videos, so feel free to check out the other videos from me and the other Spring Spanish teacher on our channel. If you're ready to take it a step further and be able to do more in Spanish than just saying goodbye, we have a free Spanish training on our website where you'll discover the method we use in our Spring Spanish Academy to teach students how to speak fluent Spanish. You also get some free sample Spanish lessons there that come straight from our academy. If you're interested, just click in the link in the description to sign up. Adios! Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share this video with your friends.